first section that we are going to see is like what is variable and how we can declare a variable in C sharp. So this is one of the basic concept that every programmer should know, like how we can declare variable. This is the starting point. So this is the basic structure of C sharp, and if I run this, you will see that it will print this hello world. Mm, but here I am interested in like how we can define the variable. So basically, what is variable? We first need to know what is variable. So if we want to store any data or we want to create any values, then we are storing it in variable. So what we can say variable is for storing data. And what kind of data we can store in variable? There are different kind of data like integer data, string data, floating data, boolean values. These kind of data we can store. And in order to declare a variable in C sharp, we just need to define its data type and the variable name. Say for example, I want to store my age, so I will just write int age, and then I will use assignment operator. And after that, since it is an integer value and I want to give any value to it, so I need to give the numeric values like this, and then I need to close it with the semicolon. Or so now you see I have declared a variable. Similarly, if I want to store any string in this int age, it will not store that. So I am trying to store a string, and you will see that it is saying that represent text as a series of Unicode character, cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So if I want to store any string values, what I need to do, I need to write something like this, and then it will be able to store it.